Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing us 5 different methods to achieve coils. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Thank you. But this is the first method. All you need to do is just coil the ear to the flexi rod. This is a flexi rod, so I just wrapped the hair around the flexi rod, leaving no space, because if you leave space there you would achieve another type of coil. So that is it guys about the first one. So the second one is, we are still using flexi rod for the second one, but the method is different. You comb the ear flat and wrap it flat around the flexi rod. You can see this method is different from the first one I did. So you just comb it flat. Make sure you comb the ear flat, then wrap it around the flexi rod. So if this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. My name is Oluwadunsin Awode. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do well to subscribe to this channel too, to be part of this small family. She'll always find a way around it. I thought she'd be gone, but when I woke up in the morning, she was laying beside me. She know when she wanted. I can never turn it down. So the length of the hair is longer than the flexi rod. That's why I just kept wrapping it together. Make me lose my self-control. All I wanna do is make you feel alright. You drive me crazy, turn me on, and that's the reason I'm let you go. So this is the third method. I used spiral rod for this. This spiral rod is very easy to use because it already has the coils on it already. So all you just have to do is just wrap it around the spiral rod. Then you seal it with that. Then you seal it with that small thing. It comes with it. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. This is the fourth method, using broom. You wrap the hair around the broom. If you want it to be smaller, you take small portion of hair and wrap it and use. Then you secure the top and the end with rubber band, or if you have bobbin pins, you can use bobbin pins. So if you are still watching up to this point and you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a like and comment your thoughts about this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, do well to subscribe. Thank you. She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really This is the fifth method of achieving coils, using thread. If you have a thread, you can use it. And I use Brazilian wool for this. You plait the thread or the wool around the hair. Make sure the plating is not tight and the plating is not together. They should be loosely plaited. So after you've plaited it, then you draw it up to achieve that coil. But please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind. If you don't understand what I'm trying to say, just rewash it and pay close attention to it. Then secure the end with the thread. Secure it very well so that it won't lose later on. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. After everything, I poured hot water on them so that the coils will be very perfect. If you don't use hot water, you won't achieve any coils. So then dry it with your towel. You can wait till they dry totally, or you can just dry it with towel and unravel the coils. So I didn't wait for mine to dry, I just dried it with towel and I loosed the coils. This is the first one, which is the broom, the broom method.
And that's the reason I'ma let you go, 'cause you and I both know that we can't keep it quiet. So please don't stay the night, don't try to change my mind. Please don't stay the night.
This is the second one, the flexi rod method, making the coils closely tight together.
Right.
Can you see the way it's bouncing?
Oh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. Let's do what's right. I'm done being polite. Oh, don't stay the night.
The next one is this flat coils that I made. These flat coils, you can use this for your spiral braid. Yeah, can you see the coils? Very different from other.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet.
And the next one is the thread method. So guys, that is it. Just make sure you watch this video to the end and share this video to your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye.
Hold me tight, don't let me go. Girl, you know that I'ma want you all my life. But I got so much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'ma let you keep me up another time. But please don't stay the night, don't try to change my mind.